What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a custom steering wheel cover in the Chevy. Thanks and courtesy to Stitching Cover for sending that out to us. Now, they did provide the steering wheel cover for us for review and for this video, but they have not compensated me at all to say anything nice. I'm not a good enough actor to fake it, so I'm going to give you my real opinions on the steering wheel cover and see how easy this is to install. You guys like the new shirt? Just had it made. You can pick one up for yourself and support the channel. I'll only get like $3 out of the deal, but hey, every $3 is $3 more than I had before, unless the taxman's involved. That's dumb. We should probably go install it now. All right, now before we get to the box, let's take a look at the steering wheel. Right now I've got my daughter's steering wheel cover on. I used to hate this thing when it was in the 4Runner, but it's helped me the last couple weeks when I've been driving this truck to feel a little closer to her. But you'll see that when I take it off, that's what we're working with. So this truck, 340,900 miles on it currently. I've got little things to deal with like this loose steering. It's, you know, this wheel has definitely seen better days. The leather's worn, it's slick. Every time you grab the wheel, you can feel the age. So if this cover fits well and feels good, it can make a huge difference every time that I'm driving this truck. All right, so here we have the box for Stitching Cover. As you'll see, it comes in just a simple cardboard box with some information about the company here on the back. So let's get it open. Inside, we've got a bag with some paraphernalia here. Then we've got the actual cover. We have a thank you. We also have a code for 10% off our next order. And then we have our instructions. The instructions just tell us how to stitch. Step 1 is putting the cover over the steering wheel, make sure it's in the right place. Step 2, we can use the double-sided tape, adjust the position, ensure the correct positioning is crucial, attempt to fit the cover your car to conform its suitability. Tear off the tape and paste. Utilize the tool to tuck any excess leather. Refer to page 1, use the threads and needle. And step 8 is tie a knot and you're done. Don't remove the original leather. They did ask me to measure if I wanted to rip off the original messed up leather off of the steering wheel, but we're going to put this over the original steering wheel. The double-sided tape is not necessary. You can use it on some loose parts to fix it. Please recognize the label, misspelled, L-A-B-L-E, of front and back. Feel free to contact us if it's lost. Please do not use double threads to stitch it, otherwise the threads will be broken. One single thread is best. It's not necessary to disassemble the steering wheel from your car. You can just install the cover in your car. Let's see, installation tools. So put this to the side. In this bag, we will have a nice little installation trim tool. We have double-sided tape. And let's see, we have, this looks like a thimble. And then we have 2 needles and we have 2 things of thread. And what everybody is most interested in, this is the steering wheel cover. So Stitching Cover was nice enough to send this to me for review, like I mentioned earlier, but nobody gets to tell me what to say. So first impressions, I'm going to be honest with you, this feels really good. So I don't know if it's a high quality leather. There's a little bit of stretch to it, which is nice. I can tell you it feels really good. On the inside, we can see that they have stitched and glued. We've got front and back. So it'll sit like this. This piece is bigger than this other piece, so this will be the orientation. This will be on the top. These will be our sides. This will be our bottom. And that's everything that comes with the kit. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this out to the Silverado. All right, so we're out, we're in the truck. We're gonna take off my daughter's steering wheel cover. I hated this thing so much when she had it in her 4Runner. But ever since the accident, I've held on to it. So we'll put that in another vehicle. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our stitching cover and we're gonna find our front and back. We're going to put this over top. Now the paper's coming off of the tape that I put on. It's definitely going to be tight. Alright, so now that we've got that, we can tear off the tape, tuck, refer to page 1 using the threads and needle to stitch it up, and tie a knot when you're done. So, it should be super easy from this point forward. Now, to prove that this is not a hard concept and something that anybody can do, I am not doing this in our garage at home. I am doing this from the barn, watching my daughter's horse graze. We're going to pass the needle from the inside to the outside. So in to the out. Alright, so we're going through. There's so much thread. I think I did this a little too much thread. You know, me screwing this up would be very on brand. Nope, we got a screw up. So we'll fix it. So far, all of the screw ups are my fault, and not the fault of stitching cover, including the knot that I somehow put in this string. Damn. So now we'll show you how to undo it to fix your screw ups. I'm telling you, man, nothing's ever easy, guys. This is not scripted at all. I can make a mistake, anybody can. And the tape has already started sticking. Super bonus is I'm getting to watch my daughter's horse be a horse. Yeah, that's more gooder. Why didn't you guys tell me I had this thing on backwards? I will say that the tape they give you is some good tape. So honestly, I think if they would have given us 2 of these, it would have made this a little easier. So, food for thought stitching cover, maybe throw an extra one of these in or have 2 separate ones.
Pro tip, don't do this job if you just cut your nails. Last one. Alright, so all of them are done. We gotta tuck this. Alright, so now we gotta figure out how we tie this thing off. Tie a knot and you finish the installation. Okay. Look at that. Still had string lift. And still had plenty on the first. Ah! Still had a whole nother thing of thread there. And they give you 2 needles. If you wanted to do a different stitch pattern, you could. But this is an old ass truck, and we're just gonna let it ride. Now I will say, easy enough installation. It looks like crap here because that's just the condition of my steering wheel. But this feels so much better. Cool. Let's go drive around a little bit.